It is high time for all Nigerians, both our leaders, elites, to stand up and say enough is enough with what is happening in this country. Every blessed day, people they buy every day, and this is getting out of hand. Let's watch this. When we come back, we discuss.
Open the tear gas! Open the tear gas! Harmless Nigerians, you want to open the tear gas or not? Open the tear gas! Be ready for the tear gas!
Okay, this is you're about to do. I promise you, your children, they will do worse to them. No way! The slave master you are about to do this rubbish for will punish your children. Your children,
it's not a prayer. It's not a happen.
Your children will rule your children and punish your children. So you know what? I am very.
Because what do you want to say? Why don't you say
for what? You say gas. Okay, there is no work for your child though. No work for your child. Christopher Babi Musa, did they give us budget for insecurity? No! Challenging the youth. Insecurity, did they give us budget? No! 3.80 trillion naira! 3.80! And you are saying you are challenging the youth. Fight insecurity, it's a shame. Big shame! I love our two people. When kidnap our own, you know tell the party when they support. All they know is they don't hold the prize. What they do is beat you up, naked you, raise your children, marry them off to some persons that you don't know. And they kill me. They brutalize the military men. They call out the and upon that, what's your screen?
United Kingdom.
What's your screen? What's your screen?
The land of
when I was growing up, they told me the reason why you are doing this because it's either you allow the bandits to win government or you people are with the bandits. Yes. I will not match my words. I know what people do best. Arrest people like me. All of us here, we are the target and stop target. Easy. Because there's no answer. I don't want to and I started when you die, your wife will struggle for collection. You know that you don't know more than me. They will suffer. They will suffer. And I'm telling you the truth. Even the ammunition where they hold, nothing there inside. I want to tell you for something. I'm proud of all of you. You know what? You are the ones still helping us fight the king with nothing. Your girls are eating the money. Your girls are eating the kingdom. Must go! 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 Bandits! Must go! Bandits! Must go! Bandits! Must go! Bandits! Must go! Must go! Bandits! Must go! Bandits! Must go! Bandits! Must go! 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 Please, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCRR, how does this because as it stands, so blessing will pay for here where. And here today. We go buy cow. Now we go roast somewhere around there. We are here today. We are going to chill here. We are your guys. We don't see you. You are my brothers. I love that. I'll be here with you guys today. No problem, no Allah. If you want to eat suya, yes. No, sure. No, be like no other. We share. All we want is simple. If you want us to go, we'll go. Yes. On one condition. What this was good. You just come and tell us, oh, give us 2 days, we go and bring the children. Simple. That's a very fair deal. Serious. If you say in 2 days you bring the children, it's fair. We've been there for like 3 weeks now. Yeah, for 3 weeks now. Yeah. So pathetic. So, again, I heard that the kidnapper said they want you to release the Boko Haram that in your custody. Possible. That is a very good deal to me. You know why? Why? Because normally when they rehabilitate them, they want to give it to them. They want the right. Give it to them and release our children. You people usually rehabilitate the terrorists. So if the terrorists are saying, give us the people in your custody, we will return these children. Why can't you give them the children? Me and you know you still rehabilitate the terrorists and send them back to the society. So I think it's a very fair deal. You understand? It's simple. We are not here to quarrel, we are not here to fight. Tell us when you are bringing the children and give us when you are going to stop the banditry and the terrorism in Nigeria. Simple as ABCD. But we'll start with when you are going to release the children. Who is willing to speak? Anybody? No. Bandits must go! Bandits must go! 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 New white they go turn our security against our own mechanic with a push car and someone is sitting on fuel.
VDM for a reason. So you people can see that the power of the people is more than the power of the people in government. People are tired. This is the worst government ever since the creation of our country itself. Since democracy, this is the worst government ever. Most wicked government. And you, the people, that you are quiet. You are quiet because that fire don't eat you down. You must get up. You must behave like a true citizen. True citizen is the person that will see that something is going wrong and he will not keep quiet. He will keep talking. He will come out for protest. Over 3 million of you people are there. We've been shouting for protest. You see? You see? One man. Ekiti. Down New York people are still in kidnappers den. Up till now, you came out yesterday, few. Shemi, VDM just came back from China, Turkey. Good life. I have a good life. You that you are poor, you are on Okada, you are on Akoto, you are still there. I didn't want to die. My mama, you they die already. You they pay already. Bad road they pay you. Bad hospital they pay you. As then they chop your money, then they pay you, then they reduce your lifespan. Why don't you just get up and join this protest? let them know that the power of the people is greater than their power. They don't do so many bad things. Will you sit there and not talk? You see VDM, you know, they see how Abuja they shake. Today Lagos is shaking. Tomorrow Lagos is shaking. Other states are coming out. Ekiti, now you na poor pass, but now you na fair to die pass. I don't know where a poor man will be scared of death, because you are dead already. They don't chop your life, use your money, buy petrol station, buy houses in Ekiti, and you are still there. I don't want to die. My mama, oh she get up from that comfort zone and take your country back, take your state back, take Ekiti back from this group of former thieves, taking all your money, taking your wealth away. You are there. Mefe wala la pa to ba jade lati gboyanu. Come out and protest.
If I hear anybody come out again to say Verydarkman, take your flower, now that flower na go kill you. I don't understand this. Take your flower. Which flower? Take your useless flower back to yourself. You need that flower. Use it and feed your family. Now Valentine's Day be this. Who is the share flower for? Who is doing anything for flowers here? If you're looking for how to give flower, don't give it to your mother, give it to your wife, your loved ones. Take your flower. Take your flower. You day your ass. They shall take your flower. See, let me tell you, a lot of you just want to paint narrative. If you really are looking for a better Nigeria, as they start, you join, or you do your house, you support it. Not coming out to still want to spew hate. Everybody said they do it for night. Somebody spent over how many hours trip? At the year 18-15 hours trip from China. He land, he not even move. Nobody knew what was our intention. Welcome. If I can idolize a Wizkid, a Davido, a Burna Boy, as my people when I love, I know I idolize person when the effects change. Are you people living normal? Like, do you think he left? He cut for our mind. We just say we dey walk am to car. All of a sudden, we see somebody walking majestically to the road. They video. People know we don't work 30 minutes we don't work 1 hour we don't work 2 hours 30 minutes see also Air Force base. Bro, that's when I see it be like say I see that Baba dey waka near they hold gun. He told the Air Force base, if una don't leave to go buy bandits, come buy me, or you are wasting me and my people. Me will be done space. Immediately I came up because guy, the kind of mind this guy has, the guts, he told them. The same Ministry of Defense people think he sold you people out to somebody wasting go. He always feel you know this fight people where you want to make them fight against these bandits for you. He went there to do his dialogue to see if he can work. Now that same Ministry of Defense where they go today. Everywhere you just want to spew hate. Anyways, anybody who still wants to spew hate, leave them. Many of them from their homes, the highest they can do is carry camera. It's a political transfer. Somebody use distraction, take cancel distraction. They said when he's coming back, he's coming to distract. But now that same distraction, he take distract to that distraction. Right now, one of you are you are stammerers, you are stuttering, you don't know what to say. If they do a protest for night, somebody land for night, he say no. He move, we follow and move. Everything you people want to do, you bring hate, but yet you claim you're fighting for the country. How well are you fighting for a country and you see somebody that is lending his voice? You just hate for no reason. He comes through this angle, you look for what to say. Somebody said, do you know I went to a particular protest? What the Verydarkman tell me that time at week? He saw me, he said, Koboko, but I don't get against you people's protest, but which protest you go there, they share polo, share cap. Even me, I look, I was like, he said, tell me which protest you go there, they share polo, share cap. And I'm not even saying what they did there was not right. He said, if I want to do this thing, I go do it. I'm not saying protesting, but I'm just against the way it is being done. And let me tell you, we did not, for the record, none of us went there for protest. We went there for a work of awareness, a work of change, a work that will make the government sit up, or a work that will take this evil government out of their seats. Tinubu must go. Bring back our children. Take away bandits. I mean, I will just be there, the open mouth, they talk. Will they go there again? Ministry of Defense. Thank you. I know better pass people with the buffet they don't buy. Thank you for the people that are saying be careful. Nice one. I appreciate you all. But always have it in mind that we not pray say anything bad will happen, but we know better pass we don't pass. Alright, rest in peace to those who don't lose their life from this evil governance. Rest in peace to all of them. Rest in peace. Nigeria failed you, but we are here to lend our voices and to make people know that yes, we can effect change. You don't understand?
I hope you heard everything in this video. In fact, may God help us in this country. That is all I have to say. What do you have to say concerning this video? Drop your thoughts or opinions in the comment section. Let's know what you think. I really appreciate your time for watching. But let's keep praying for the betterment of this country. See you in the next one, and bye.